Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the process of claiming your PS5 warranty, first, gather the basic tools you will need. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's essential to have these tools handy before you begin disassembling your console. Next, locate all the screws on your PS5. There are several screws on the bottom and the sides of the console. Use the Phillips head screwdriver for the screws on the bottom, and the Torx screwdriver for the side screws. Make sure to keep the screws organized. You can use a small container to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the console. Be cautious here, as the inner components are sensitive. Now, you will want to inspect the interior for any visible dust or debris. A soft cloth is perfect for this task. Cleaning the internal components can prevent overheating and improve performance. After cleaning, check the warranty information that came with your PS5. It's crucial to understand what is covered and for how long. If your PS5 is still within the warranty period and you notice issues, it's time to prepare for a warranty claim. If you're unsure about the warranty claim process or if your console has specific issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help you determine if your problem falls under warranty coverage. Now, gather all relevant documents, including your PS5 purchase receipt and warranty card. Having these documents ready will expedite the warranty claim process. If you've lost your receipt, check your email for an electronic copy or any order confirmation. Next, visit the official PlayStation website and navigate to the support section. Here, you can find detailed instructions tailored to your specific issue. Follow the prompts carefully to fill out the warranty claim form. Make sure to provide accurate information about your PS5 model and the problems you are facing. If you don't have the tools to disassemble your console or are unsure about handling it, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your PS5 collected from your doorstep and returned once the repair is complete. What's more, there are no calls and no travel involved, making it a hassle-free experience for you. After submitting your claim, you will receive a confirmation email with further instructions. Pay attention to any additional steps required, as they may vary depending on your specific situation. While waiting for the repair or replacement, it's advisable not to attempt further repairs on your own. Doing so might void the warranty, so it's best to leave it to the professionals. If your claim is approved, the next step is to accept the quote for the repair. You will receive a detailed estimate before any work begins, allowing you to make informed decisions. Always ensure you understand the costs involved and what repairs will be conducted. In summary, claiming your PS5 warranty involves gathering tools, cleaning the console, submitting a claim with the necessary documentation, and waiting for the repair or replacement. By following these steps, you'll navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.